Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and let's check how you can set up your Autoptimize plugin in your WordPress website. So Autoptimize is a free performance plugin in WordPress that you can use to improve your page speed. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard and let's go to plugin and click on add new. Now you need to search for Autoptimize. Now install this plugin, Autoptimize plugin. So there is 1 million plus active installations. So it is a very good performance plugin in WordPress. So after installing this plugin, just activate it. Now let's go to the settings and select the Auto Optimize option. Now here you will see this option like JS, CS and HTML. So just click on Optimize JavaScript code. Now here you will see this option like aggregate JavaScript file. So if you enable this option, that it may cause some problem in some websites. So make sure to select this option and check your front end. If there is any problem, then you can untick this. So as of now I will not select this option. Now select this option, optimize CSS code, and let's click on eliminate render blocking CSS. Just click on here, and if you are getting some render blocking CSS error in page speed inside, then just enter the URL of that CSS code. So now let's click on inline all CSS. Let's click on here. Now let's click on optimize HTML code. Now let's scroll down and leave this setting on. Now click on save changes. Now let's click on image here and let's click on optimize image. Now here you can select the image optimization quality. So by default it is set to glossy. Glossy means it will keep the balance between the image quality and image size, and if you select the lossy option, then it will prioritize the image size and it will lower the image quality. So lossy is good for blog website, and if you are running a e-commerce website, then you can select the glossy one. So as I am running a blog, so I will select the lossy one. Now select this option, automatically sort AVIF image format to any browser. So AVIF is a new next gen format image that provide you better compression of image. So let's click on here, and you can also lazy load image in WordPress by clicking on this option, and let's click on save changes. Now let's click on critical CSS option. Here you will see a option like this, improve performance with criticalcss.com. So let's go to criticalcss.com, and here you need to create a account and then you need to add the API key. So let's go to the extra option here, and here you will see this option like Google Fonts. So you can remove the Google Fonts by clicking on this button, or you can add display swap option to avoid render blocking resources. So I generally prefer to remove Google Fonts because it will give a speed boost. Now let's click on remove emoji. So it will remove the WordPress core emoji and load the emoji from the device, so that it will not load extra files in the front end. And you can also select remove query string from static resources. So just enable this, and remove WordPress block CSS. So just enable it. And you can also pre-connect third-party resources like Google Analytics, or if you are using AdSense, then you can pre-connect those third-party servers by entering the URL here. And you can also async JavaScript file or preload specific request by entering this field. So let's click on save changes. Okay, now we have set the Auto Optimize plugin in our WordPress website, and this is a free plugin that you can use to improve your blog loading speed. So if you have any doubt regarding Auto Optimize setup, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.